To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Navigate to the Updates tab, located in the bottom menu. Tap on Add Status at the top. Tap on the camera icon to capture a photo or video, create a text status, or select a photo or video from your gallery. At the bottom, tap on Add a Caption. And then enter your desired text. Finally, tap the Send button to upload your story along with the caption. Your status has been successfully updated. Now, when your friends view your story, they will see the caption as well. Updating your WhatsApp status with a caption adds context, enhances engagement, and personalizes your story. So that's how you can update your status with a caption on WhatsApp.